I took my mom to the south of France to spend a week on board a Viking River Cruise. To put it in a word, it was epic. Our days were filled with beautiful sights, incredible food, and the ease of seeing new places each day while never having to unpack or be far from our room. And let's start off with the rooms. The Veranda Staterooms on board are neat and tidy and so well organized. They make use of every inch of the 200 square feet. We had our 2 twin beds separated, but they can be set up together as well. I was so impressed by the well laid out bathroom and all the amenities in the room. Everything we needed in our own space without feeling cramped. Our favorite spot was definitely the room's balcony. Watching the countryside pass by, the life on the river, it was a front row seat and spacious enough to sit. We could relax with a glass of wine, a coffee, or even catch up on life back at home. We toured one of the Explorer suites, the largest on board, which boasted a separate giant bedroom and bathroom, a coffee maker and kitchen area, a large living room with a wraparound balcony that faced off the back of the boat, and a lovely view while sailing. But I have to say, we spent most of our time outside of the rooms, on the decks. Whether just to relax in the Provençal sunshine or sip a cocktail with a view, there was always a comfortable little nook or spot available outside. As we were traveling in the heart of the summer, we also ate almost every meal al fresco. And wow, was every meal so impressive, from dawn till dusk. We had calm mornings sipping cappuccinos and tasting the new items on the breakfast buffet. Exciting lunches discussing our morning adventures. And many leisurely dinners where we drank in sunsets and local wines, and even our fair share of lochs on the Rhone River. Each meal was made special by a unique menu, often with a theme, and an unbelievable setting. And of course, the service was top-notch. If you need just about anything, the staff would make it happen. I appreciate all the little things on board. They made such a big difference. One day, we had an entertaining chocolate souffle cooking demo, which was very funny, along with many lectures, daily live music, and cocktail parties, one of which was hosted by the crew and the captain. We explored so much on our excursions at each stop on our itinerary, but it was the boat itself that stands out the most to my mom and me. Thank you, Viking, for making such a comfortable and exciting experience for both my mom and I. We were on a floating slice of heaven in the south of France.